Marvellous 103 FM with Kru Fon at TIME. Good morning.
สวัสดีค่ะ
How are you?
I'm fine.
What are we going to learn today?
Oh, I would love to do this, but I don't have a garden. Because I know Kutip is always saying like to do a garden is so relaxing sometimes, you know.
She spends hours in the garden.
Yeah, but I don't have a
I
garden.
think she talks to the plants, to be honest.
Sometimes
They've all got
okay.
names. Yeah.
Yeah, she said it's so relaxing, and I would love to do that, but I don't have a garden in my house.
Okay.
So you know the words for garden,
Suan.
and then put the to do.
Tam Suan.
ถูกต้องค่ะ is to do
Tam
garden.
Suan
Tam
is to
Suan.
do the garden.
ใช่ค่ะ
Do a bit of gardening.
Yeah.
Especially today where it's nice and a good weather to do it.
Oh, no.
And don't forget that TIME Every Day is sponsored by and produced by the Pattaya Language Centre, which is run by Kru Fon and two other Thai ladies, all with degrees and all teaching English, Thai and German. So if you or your family want to catch up and improve, especially right now, online, visit our website alwayspattaya.com and look for the link.